Hey everyone, I'm going to quick show you today how to read a box and whisker plot. A box and whisker plot is just a type of graph, all right? And so there are some features of the box and whisker plot that we can look at real quick. And the main features are these lines right here, okay? This center line right here in the center of the box is actually the median. And our median, I can read right here on this number line below it, is 12. So the second line, this middle line right here, that's your actual median, all right? And the first line over here, this is called Q1 or quartile 1. All right, quartile 1. Quart sounds like quarter. All right, quartile 1, and I can find that line is a 6. All right, and we'll talk about that in a second. And then quartile 3 is over here. That's a 16. And I can see what the biggest number is right here. This is a 22. So the biggest number, oh, it's not even 22, it's a 21. It looks like, yeah, it's a 21. All right, the biggest number I have here is 21. If I follow right down here, it doesn't hit 22, it doesn't hit 20. It's right in the middle. And then same thing over here. If I follow straight down, I counted by 2's down here. So this must be a 3. So I can look at this and I can see the biggest number is 21, the smallest number is 3, my median is 12, and I can also figure out what the range would be, because we know the range is the biggest minus the smallest. So 21 minus 3 would give me 18. So reading the box and whisker plot, you just got to line it up. If they ask you what Q1 is, you just look where that first line is. Boom, there it is. Same thing, Q3, right there at 16. The median is this middle line. All right. Now, what is a box and whisker plot for? It's just to show a spread of data. Okay, so this is the same exact box and whisker plot, but it's showing you how the data is spread out. Every section is worth 25% of the data. So if there's 20 numbers, I got 5 numbers here, 5 numbers here, 5 numbers here, 5 numbers here. I don't know what those numbers are, other than maybe the median or the maximum or the minimum, but I know 25% of the data is in each section. And that means the most important section, or the majority of the numbers, 50% of the numbers are happening right here. The median will be in there, the mode will most likely be in there also, the mean will be in their area, and the other thing that you can calculate is called the interquartile range. Inter means like inside, so if you think about the interstate highway, it's going on the highway between states. Your internal organs, they're inside your body, right? So inter means inside, and we have these lines right here, and basically the interquartile range is the distance from the end of the box to the end of the box. So I'm gonna look, all right, this was a 16, this was a 6, and I just gotta find out what 16 minus 6 is, and interquartile range would be 10. So just looking at the box and whisker plot, you can find quite a lot of information. You can find the range of the numbers, you can find the median, it's that middle line, you can find the interquartile range. You can't find the mean, you can't find the mode, but you know they're in this section somewhere. And that's how you read a box and whisker plot. Like my hair?